Hey, so the first tech tool that I'm going to introduce for my culminating task is a tablet. So this is just an Amazon Fire. You could use an iPad or anything similar, but this is what I have in my classroom. And I am going to use the camera app. So I'm going to click on that. And it is going to open up my camera app on the tablet. And so students are going to use this to photograph their best part of them, which they've already identified, and they've written a short paragraph and included reasons as to why that was the best part of them based on the story. So here's this. I'm just going to take a quick picture. There we go. And then also when they get to the end of the culminating task, right, and we've already gotten the hardback book, it's been published, which will be covered in Scriptsy in the next video, then we will use these same tablets again, and we can also pull out the tablet, and then change it from camera to video. That way they'll be able to record themselves reading their page in the story. So if we go back, you can open up and you can see all the parts, like so pictures I've already taken, videos, and then the final video that I create, we'll be able to see how I can take multiple videos and turn them into one for part of our final culminating task.